In today's video, I will put you through on how to present PowerPoint presentation slides, okay, in Microsoft Teams. Without taking much time, let's just get right into it. First thing you have to do is to open your presentation file. So I'll click here and then select PowerPoint. As the PowerPoint opens, I'll open on the file that I want to talk about in the Teams meeting or in the Teams video call. All right. So once you're here, what you need to do is to open your web browser because here we are going to access the Teams app on the web. Then visit teams.microsoft.com and sign in. All right. Okay, so here I'm signing automatically because I saved my login details on my browser. The next step you need to take is to start the video call or to start a meeting, all right? A conference call. So here, let me experiment with starting a meeting. The processes and the steps are still the same. So I'll click on this meet now. And here I have to give this a title. Let me call this report, all right? Let's say report. Let's say the meeting is about report or anything actually. So the next step you need to take is to click on start meeting button. On clicking on start meeting button, you have an interface that will look like this. So hold on for it to come out fully, all right? Okay, so here is telling me to invite some people to the meeting. I want to invite Steve. All right, so I'll type the name for it to show up. All right, Steve Jack. So I'll take my cursor here and click on call so that Steve Jack can pick and then join the meeting. After that, I'll close this interface. All right, this is showing my face at this point, but this is not what I want to do. Let's say the meeting is already going on and I want to share my screen in this case. And the screen I want to share is that of PowerPoint presentation file. All right, so the next step you need to take is to click on share. On clicking on share, select this option with the information, screen, window, or tab. All right, so I'll click on that. Then this takes me to Microsoft Edge browser tab first. The reason for this is because I'm using Microsoft Edge browser to access this Teams app, all right, on the web, all right. So you have window option, click on window. This will show you some windows that are open here, meaning some applications that are open. This is Microsoft Edge and this is the presentation, all right, PowerPoint presentation. If you can't find your own PowerPoint presentation here, what you need to do is to click on this present the PowerPoint application again. It will pop up. All right. And once you click on it and it shows up like this, you minimize it and then it will start showing up here. So select this. This is what I want to present. So I'll click on it and click on share. All right. So I can hide this. Okay. You can see it has captured this PowerPoint presentation file and it's showing it to my audience, people that are watching from that end that are in part of this meeting. All right. So if I want it to be in full screen, I can click on this full screen. All right. It will show up in full screen. Then after that, if I want to get to the next slide, I will use the arrow key of my computer keyboard. All right. So until I continue teaching what I'm teaching. So in this case, let's say I'm teaching about servers and clients. All right, is a tech term. They are tech terms actually. So after the whole thing and I'm done with what I'm presenting, I'll press the escape key of my computer keyboard for it to minimize this window so that it will not be in full screen again. All right, it has returned back to normal. And for you to get back to your Teams on the web, take your cursor to your browser and click on it. All right, you can see I've returned to this and I will click on stop sharing. You can see once you click on this, that presentation you are sharing will start. And what do you need next? You leave the meeting by clicking on leave. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology which cuts across so many areas. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you have to say about this video. Do you find it helpful or you need something more? Let me hear your say in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people, please. All right, you can watch this video here on how to use Microsoft Teams in easy step. Thank you and see you some other time.